Son. Thank you all for being with my family here today to honor the life of my father. And Srinivas Bhatt Uncle will be doing the emceeing of today's event. So I'm going to go ahead and pass it over to him, and he'll tell you a little bit about what we have planned.
Namaskara. It's going to be a short program, and we are going to start with Vishnu Sahasranama by Harish and group. And those who are sitting there, you can also join, and few of them will be here. So it's yours.
And everyone can join. Those of you know who would like to join, please do.
श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप्छन्दः श्रीमहाविष्णु परमात्मा श्रीमन्नारायणो देवता अंगांशुद्भवो पादुर्विबीजं देवकीनन्दनसृष्टेति शक्तिः उद्भवक्षोभणो देवैति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खबृन्नञ्जकी चक्रीति कीलकं शान्ततन्वा गदाधरैत्यस्त्रं रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यैति नेत्रं त्रिसामासामरस्सामेति कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुस्वदर्शनकालैति दिग्बन्धः श्रीविश्वरूपैति ज्ञानं श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यर्थे सहस्रनामनारायणो श्रीरोदनमत्प्रदेशेषु च परिवससस्रैकते मौक्तिकानां मालाकृतासनस्तस्फटिकमणिवैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरजभ्रैर्परिचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवशैः आनन्दीनं पुनयागैर्गणगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः भूपादौ यस्य नाभिर्व्यदसुरचन्द्रचन्द्रश्च नेत्रे कर्णावाशा शिरोद्यौ मुखमव्यग्नो यस्य वासेयमभिः अन्तस्तं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरकलो भोगिगन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यदेकं त्रिभुवनपुरुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्गं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गं पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायदाक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथं सहस्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभितवस्त्रं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजं भगवते वासुदेवाय विश्वं विष्णुर्वशत्कारो भूतभव्यभवत्प्रभुः भूतकृद्भूतकृद्भावो भूतात्मा भूतभावनः भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययपुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षरेव च योगो योगर्जान्नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहः श्रीमान् केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः
अनादिनिधनोधाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः अप्रमेयो ऋषिकेशः पद्मनाभो मदप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा निःस्पर्शः सविष्टस्थविरो ध्रुवः अग्राह्यः शाश्वतकृष्णो लोहिताक्षः प्रतर्पणः प्रभूतस्त्रिपदधाम पवित्रं मङ्गलं परम् ईशानः प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठश्रेष्ठः प्रजापतिः हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनः ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमक्रमः अनुत्तमो दुरादर्शः कृतघ्नकृतिरात्मवान् सुरेशः शरणं शर्म विश्वरेता प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्याधः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषा कपिलमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिसृतः वसुर्वसुमना सत्यः समात्मा संमितः समः अमोघः पुण्डरीकाक्षो वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः रुद्रो बहुशिरा बभ्रुर्विश्वयोनिः शुचिश्रवाः अमृतः शाश्वतस्थाणुर्वरारोहो महातपाः सर्वगः सर्वविद्वानुर्विश्वक्सेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेदविदव्यङ्गो वेदाङ्गो वेदवित्कलिः लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षो धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहः चतुर्दंशश्चतुर्भुजः राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदाभिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुरमोघः शुचिरोचितः अतीन्द्रः सङ्ग्रहः सर्वो धृतात्मा नियमो यमः
वेद्यो
वैद्यः सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महाधृत् महेश्वासो महीधर्ता श्रीवासः सतां गतिः अनिरुद्धः गोविन्दो गोविदाम्बतिः मरीचीर्धमनोहंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभः सुतपा पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः अमृत्युः सर्वदृक्सिंहः सम्धाता संहिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्षणः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिः गुरुर्गुरुतमो धामः सत्यसत्यपराक्रमः निमिषो निमिषस्रग्वी वाचस्पतिरुदारधीः अग्रणीर्ग्रामणी श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा सम्प्रमर्तनः अहः संवर्तको वह्निर्निलो धरणीधरः सुप्रसादप्रसन्नात्मा विश्वदृग्विश्वभुक्तिभुः सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुर्जन्मनारायणो नरः असङ्ख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टशिष्टकृच्छुचिः सिद्धान्तः सिद्धसङ्कल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः वृषाही वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविधश्रुतिसागरः सुमुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः श्रुतिविष्टप्रकाशनः ओजस्तेजो विविधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रकाशनः रुद्रस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रश्चन्द्रांशो भास्करद्युतिः अमृतांशोद्भवो भानुश्शकबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः भूतभव्यभवन्नाथः पवनः पावनो नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्तः कामः कामप्रदप्रभुः युगादिकृद्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित् इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतप्रतितः प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपान्निधिरधिष्ठानमप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः स्कन्दः स्कन्धधरो धुर्यो वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुरादिदेवः पुरन्दरः अशोकः सारणः सारः शूरः शौरिर्जनेश्वरः अनुकूलः शतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभेक्षणः पद्मनाभोरविन्दाक्षः पद्मगर्भः शरीरभृत् महद्विरुद्धो वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः अतुलः शरभो भीमः समयज्ञो हविर्हरिः सर्वलक्षणलक्षण्यो लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः विक्षरो रोहितो मार्गो हेतुर्दामोदरः सहः महीधरो महाभागो परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्भिः परमस्पष्टस्तुष्टः पुष्टः शुभेक्षणः रामो विरामो विरतो मार्गो नेयो नयो नयः वीरशक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवक्रतुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्ठी परिग्रहः उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षो विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः विस्तारस्तावरस्तानुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशो महाभोगो महाधनः अनिर्विण्णस्तविष्टो भूर्धर्मयूपो महामकः नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः यज्ञयुज्यो महेज्यश्च क्रतुः सत्रं सतां गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमम् सुव्रतः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुखदः सुहृत् मनोहरोजितक्रोधो वीरबाहुर्विदारणः स्वापनस्ववशो व्यापी नैकात्मा नैककर्मकृत् वत्सरो वत्सलो वत्सी रत्नगर्भो धनेश्वरः धर्मकृद्धर्मी सदसत्क्षरमक्षरम् अविज्ञाता सहस्रांशुर्विधाता कृतलक्षणः तपस्विनेमिस्तत्त्वस्तसिंहो भूतमहेश्वरः आदिदेवो महादेवो देवेशो देवभृद्गुरुः उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ता ज्ञानगम्यः पुरातनः शरीरभूतभृद्भोक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरिदक्षिणः सोमपोमृतपः सोमः पुरुजित्पुरुषस्तमः विनियोज्यः सत्यसन्धो दाशाभः सात्वतां तुतिः जीवो विनयिता साक्षी मुकुन्दो विजयप्रभः अम्बो निधिरनन्तात्मा महोदययोमुखः अजो महार्थः स्वाभाव्यो चितामित्रप्रमोदनः आनन्दो नन्दनो नन्दः सत्यधर्मा त्रिविक्रमः महर्षि कल्याचार्य कृतघ्नो मेदिनीपतिः त्रिपदस्त्रिदशाध्यक्षो महाशृङ्गकृतान्तकृते महावराहो गोविन्दस्सुषेणकनकाङ्गली गुह्यो गभीरो गहनो गुप्तश्चक्रगदाधरः स्वाङ्गोजितकृष्णो दृढसङ्कर्षणोच्युतः वर्णो वारुणो वृक्षः पुष्कराक्षो महास्वनः भगवानन्दी वनमाली हलायुधः आदित्यो ज्योतिरादित्यः सहिष्णुर्गतिसत्तमः सुधन्वाखण्डपरशुर्दारुणो द्रविणप्रदः दिवस्पृक्सर्वदृग्व्यासो वाचस्पतिरयो निजः त्रिसामासामघसाम निर्वाणं भेषजं कृषक संन्यासकृच्छमशान्तो निष्ठा शान्तिपरायणः शुभाङ्गः शान्तिदस्सुमुदत्वलेशयः गोहितो गोपतिर्गोप्ता वृषभाक्षो वृषप्रियः अनिवर्ती निवृत्तात्मा संक्षेप्ता क्षेमद्विक्षिवः श्रीवत्सवत्सा श्रीवास श्रीपति श्रीमदाम्बरः श्रीश श्रीनिवास श्रीनिधि श्रीविभावनः श्रीधर श्रीकर श्रेय श्रीमान् लोकत्रयाश्रयः स्वक्षस्वङ्गसदानन्दो नन्दिर्ज्योतिर्गणेश्वरः विजितात्मा विधेयात्मा सत्कीर्तिच्छिन्नसंशयः उदीर्णः सर्वतश्चक्षुरनीशः शाश्वतस्थिरः भूषयो भूषणो भूतिर्विशोकशोकनाशनः अर्चिष्मानर्चितकुम्भो विशुद्धात्मा विशोधनः अनिरुद्धो प्रतिरथः प्रद्युम्नोऽमितविक्रमः कालनेमिनिहावीरशूरशूरश्वरः त्रिलोकात्मा त्रिलोकेशः केशवः केशिहा हरिः कामदेवः कामपालः कामीकान्तकृतागमः अनिर्देशवपुर्विष्णुर्वीरो नतो धनञ्जयः ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृद्ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मविवर्धनः ब्रह्मविद्ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः महाप्रभो महाकर्मा महातेजा महोदरः महाकृतुर्महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाकविः स्तव्यस्तवप्रियस्तोत्रं स्तुतिस्तोतारणप्रियः पूर्णपूरयिता पुण्यः पुण्यकीर्तिरनामयः मनोजवस्तीर्थकरो वसुरेता वसुप्रदः वसुप्रदो वासुदेवो वसुर्वसुमनाहविः सद्गतिः सत्कृतिः सत्तिः सत्परायणः शूरसेनो यदुश्रेष्ठः सन्निवासः सुयामुनः भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासु निलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरोधा पराजितः विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिश्शताननः एको नैकः सवक्कः किं यत्तत्पदमनुत्तमम् लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः सुवर्णवर्णो हेमाङ्गो वराङ्गश्चन्दनाङ्गदी वीरः विषमशून्यो कृताशीरचरच्चरः अमानीमानदो मान्यो लोकस्वामी त्रिलोकधृत सुमेधामेधजो धन्यः सत्यमेधाधराधरः तेजो वृषोद्युतिधरः सर्वशस्त्रकृताम्बुरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः चतुरात्मा चतुर्वेदविदेकपात् समावर्तो निवृत्तात्मा दुर्जयो दुरतिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरारिः शुभांगो लोकसारंगः सुतन्तुस्तन्तु वर्धनः इंद्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो रत्ननाभः सुलोचनः अर्को वाजशनशृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी सुवर्णबिन्दुरक्षोभ्यः सर्वभागीश्वरेश्वरः महाक्रतो महायज्ञो महाभूतो महानिधिः कुन्दपर्जन्यः पावनो निलः अमृताशो मृतोः सर्वतोमुखः शत्रुतापनः न्यग्रोधो दुम्बरोऽश्वत्थश्चाणूरान्द्रनिषूदनः सहस्राक्षी सप्तदीपः सप्तैधा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिर्नभोचिन्त्यो भयनाशनः अनुकृतस्थूलो गुणगुणनिर्गुणो महान् अधृतस्वधृतस्वप्राप्तं वंशवर्धनः भारभृत्कथितो योगी योगीशः सर्वकामदः आश्रमश्रमणः क्षामः सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः धनुर्धरो धनुर्वेदो दण्डो दमयिता दमः अपराजितः सर्वसहो नियन्ता नियमो यमः सत्यवान् सात्विकः सत्यः सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्रायप्रियाबोधप्रियकृत्प्रीतिवर्धनः विहाय सगतिज्योतिर्सुरुचिर्हुतबुद्विभुः रविर्विलोचनः सूर्यः सविता रविलोचनः अनन्तो हुतबुद्भोक्ता सुखदो नैकदोऽग्रजः अनिर्विण्णः सदा मर्षि लोकाधिष्ठानमद्भुतः सनातनतमः कपिलः कपिलव्ययः स्वस्तिदः स्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः अरौद्रः कुण्डली चक्री विक्रम्यूर्जितशासनः शब्दातिकः शिशिरः अक्रूरपेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणः क्षमिणाम्बरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभयः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारिणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः सन्तो जीवनः पर्यवस्थितः अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तशीर्जितमन्यप्रयापहः चतुरश्रोगभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुविरो रुचिराङ्गदः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः आधारनिलयो धाता विश्वासप्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वः सत्पथाचारः प्राणदः प्रणवः प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत्प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविवेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरातिगः भूर्भुवस्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः यज्ञभृद्यज्ञकृद्यग्नि यज्ञभृद्यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञगुह्यमन्नमन्नाद एव च आत्मयोनिः स्वयं जातो वैखानः सामगायनः देवकीनन्दनश्रेष्ठः क्षितीशपापनाशनः शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्री शार्ङ्गधन्वागदाधरः रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः सर्वप्रहरणायुधः सर्वप्रहरणायुधवं नमः इति शङ्की चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षसो वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्की चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतो वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्की चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतो
अर्जुन उवाच
पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षा पद्मनाभसुरोत्तमा भक्तानामनुरक्तानां त्राता भवजनार्दन श्रीभगवानुवाच यो मां नाम सहस्रेण स्तोतुमिच्छति पाण्डव सोऽहमेतेन श्लोकेन स्तुत एव न संशयः स्तुत एव न संशयो नमः इति व्यास उवाच वासनात् वासुदेवस्य वासितं ते जगत्त्रयम् सर्वभूतनिवासोऽसि वासुदेव नमोऽस्तुते श्रीवासुदेव नमोऽस्तुते ॐ नमः इति वासुदेवोवाच केनोपायेन लघुना विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रकम् पठ्यते पण्डितैर्नित्यं श्रोतुमिच्छाम्यहं प्रभो ईश्वर उवाच श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे
सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम नाम वरानन ओम नमः इति ब्रह्मोवाच
नमोऽस्त्वनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाक्षि शिरोरुबाहवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटिवधारिणे नमः सहस्रकोटिवधारिणे नमो नमः इति सञ्जय उवाच यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीविजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मः श्रीभगवानुवाच अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जना पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे आर्ता विषण्णा शिथिलाश्च भीतातो देशि च व्याधिषु वर्तमानाः संकीर्त्य नारायण शब्दमात्रं विमुक्तदुःखा सुखिनो भवन्तु कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि।
Thank you. We will have few bhajans, to be precise 4 or 5 bhajans now. Thank you.
Otherwise, we can also join from there.
Akash, can you hear? वापस
ನಮ್ಮ ಭಜನೆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸುಮಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸುಮಾ ಬೆಟ್ಟ
निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दम् गणेशं भजे परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे चिदानन्दरूपं चिदाभासकं सर्वगं ज्ञानगम्यं मुनिज्ञेयमाकाशरूपं परेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे जगत्कारणं कारणज्ञानरूपं सुरादिं सुखादिं सुरेशं गणेशं जगद्व्यापिनं विश्ववन्द्यं सुरेशं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजे परिहारिणि जय दुर्गे दुर्गति परिहारिणि शुम्भविहारिणि माता भवानी शुम्भविहारिणि माता भवानी जय दुर्गे आदिशक्ति शक्ति परब्रह्म स्वरूपिणि जगज्जननी चतुर्वेद भवानी जगज्जननी चतुर्वेद भवानी जय दुर्गे ब्रह्मा शिव हरि अर्चन किंहो ब्रह्मा शिव हरि अर्चन किंहो ज्ञानधरक सुर नर मुनि ज्ञानी ज्ञानधरक सुर नर मुनि ज्ञानी जय दुर्गे अष्टभयकरा खड्ग विराजे अष्टभुजकरा खड्ग विराजे सिंह सवारा सकल वरदानि सिंह सवारा सकल वरदानि जय दुर्गे ब्रह्मानंद शरण में आए ब्रह्मानंद शरण में आए भवभयनाश करो महाराज भवभयनाश करो महाराज जय दुर्गे दुर्गति परिहारिणि शुम्भविहारिणि माता भवानी जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे शंभो महादेव सदाशिव शंभो महादेव सदाशिव शंभो महादेव सदा शिवा शंभो महादेव सदा शिवा अम्बुजनयना नारायण अम्बुजनयना नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण पन्नगभूषण सदा शिवा पन्नगशयन नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण गौरी समेता सदा शिवा लक्ष्मी समेता नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण कैलासवासा सदा शिवा वैकुण्ठवासा नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण पार्वती रमणा सदा शिवा पाप विमोचन नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण हर ओम सदा शिवा हरि ओम नारायण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन रघुकुल भूषण राजीव लोचन आत्मा राम आनंद रमण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण आदि नारायण अनंत शयन आदि नारायण अनंत शयन सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण सच्चिदानंद सत्यनारायण आत्मा राम आनंद रमण अच्युत केशव हरि नारायण आत्मा राम मनमोहना हे यदुनन्दना दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना दीनावना भवभयभञ्जना हे माधवा हे मधुसूदना 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 कृष्णं वन्दे नन्दकुमारं कृष्णं वन्दे नन्दकुमारं राधावल्लभनवनीतचोरं राधावल्लभनवनीतचोरं सुरतरुपुष्पसुहारं चूरं सुरतरुपुष्पसुहारं चूरं सुन्दरी राधा मनोविहारं सुन्दरी राधा मनोविहारं कृष्णं वन्दे नन्दकुमारम् हरि 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 स्मरण करो हरि 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 स्मरण करो हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो हरि चरण कमल ध्यान करो मुरली माधव सेवा करो मुरली माधव सेवा करो मोर हरि गिरधारी भजन करो मोर हरि गिरधारी भजन करो हरि 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 स्मरण करो हरि 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 स्मरण करो स्मरण करो स्मरण करो स्मरण करो
Thank you. At the family's request, I request Sri Kasturi here to come and say a few words. Kasturi, as some of you might know, was responsible for bringing Nagaraj to this country, and they have known each other for a very, very long time. So I request Kasturi to say a few words.
Can you hear me okay? Back. Louder? Okay. How about now? Okay. How about now? Is it better? Okay. If you all don't know me, my name is Kasturi. I'm a long-time friend of Nagaraj. I'll say almost 56 years since I know him, most of my lifetime. You all know that Nagaraj is somewhat instrumental in making all of you come here, in fact. He was also always instrumental in bringing to the United States about maybe 45, 50 years ago. You speak closer, loudest? Hold it like
How about now? He stayed with me for a few months in New Haven, Connecticut. For about maybe a couple of months, and he got a job. He somehow has that knack to talk to people, get the job done. So he got the job, and ultimately he moved to Boston and Stone Webster and moved back to Los Angeles a few years ago. So we are all friends during your teenage years. We were all teenagers at that time, and particularly we grew up in a National College environment. We all belonged to the National College Old Boys Association. And I don't know if you all know, under the guidance of Dr. H. Narasimhaya, who was then the principal of National College, later he became the Vice Chancellor of the Mysore University. We actually used to gather together, and he gave us all the leadership to do all the things we are doing right now, what Nagaraj is doing, has done before in this country. So, and he was dearest to me, and devotion to Nagaraj was because he was the youngest of all of us. And he used to call me every week when he came to this country, when I was in LA. And you can see from his bringing people together, you can see all the people of Kannadigoda are here in this association. We are all very close to each other. We played basketball almost every day, from 4 p.m. to dusk, until we break off, go to your local restaurants, and we didn't have much money at the time. We used to call 1x2 coffee or 2x4 dosa, something like that we used to eat. Or meet in Dr. H.N. Narasimha's room in the hostel, who was actually living in the hostel in a single room. And he used to treat us with some sort of snacks. I don't know if you're all familiar with the one called Gandhi's mixture. With some sort of peanuts and those type of things in the back. We used to get that. I think because of the techniques we all learned from Dr. H.N., Nagaraj followed his footsteps here in LA. He was more instrumental in more or less starting the Kannada Kuta here. And we never called him Nagaraj as Nagaraj at the time. We called him Chow. I don't know if you're familiar with his name was Chow to us because of his strong resemblance to Chauhan-Lai, the Prime Minister of China at the time. So to see his old photographs, you saw some of them almost look like that in the sketches. He was, rather than talking about myself as Nagaraj, if you let me go on in hours, I'd like to talk about the efforts he has done in this country, bringing all people together. Berkeley was associated with, first I'll talk about the basketball team. When we were all there, we didn't have a court. He is the one more or less called people up, bringing people together, and got all the efforts of National College World Association to pay for bringing up the basketball court, which is in the National College grounds. We actually built ourselves with his efforts to talk to people, get some help from people paying money or whatever it is to get that one in place. So I'm indeed proud of him because he was pretty good at talking to people, which you can see. We call them his friends, 3 different kinds of friends. We are all his sports friends. In the sports friends category, he had basketball friends. Also, you had cricket friends. I don't know if you know, he was a good friend of A.S. Prasanna and Gurli Chandrasekhar. We still talk to him every day. He used to talk to him every week. He was here. And other day, Chandrasekhar called me about him. I sent his condolences to his family. Then he had the second type of third of friends is the debating team. He was involved in the debating team in India, the National College, and he still kept in touch with all his friends in this country. And he knew a couple hundred friends he could talk to every week, and he used to relate it to me about his whereabouts, what they're doing, and how much the effort they're doing in different parts of the United States. About 3 minutes, I think so. Another is devotion to music. He was a music lover, and as you see from his efforts to bring down to LA the SEMA group, SIMA, which I think he was writing the bylaws of the SEMA before he passed away a few weeks ago. So you can see what efforts he's doing to bringing music to this country, and he gave encouragement to some of the artists who used to come to this country. I remember one of the artists told me when he was coming as a group, he told him, why don't you go solo and come back, and he became one of the best artists in this country. Now everybody knows him by this thing. That's what the efforts he did. They all stayed at his place, actually. He made an effort to make sure you talk to them, make them good comfort. When they came to the LA, they used to stay at his place. So another thing he did for the Kannada Kuta, about when they started the Kannada Kuta, I believe, as told by the Kannada Kuta members, he was one of them who called everybody and made them like members. And that's the key to the thing. I don't think anybody has that efforts to do that. He took all the efforts to get that and do it for Kannada Kuta. Right? I think we have Kannada Kuta of LA has about maybe 50 to 100 lifetime members. I'm not familiar with that. I moved to this place a few years ago, but he used to talk to me about Kannada Kuta all the time. I can keep on going indefinitely, but I'll stop at this time, and we all go to miss him. My thanks to Prema, Ajit, and Sheila for giving me the opportunity to talk about my dearest friend, Nagaraj. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, at the request of family, I am asking Dr. Pratima to say a few words.
Nagaraj, I'll do my best. Okay, you want go to Toastmasters Club and learn how to do public speaking. Sorry, I couldn't do it, but I'll try. Friends, Prema has asked me to say a few words, and today we have gathered here in this temple to honor our dear friend Nagaraj and his life. We believe Nagaraj has reached the abode of Vishnu, so here is the celebration. Each one of us have special moments that we would like to share, talk here for, I don't know, the time won't be enough for us. When I remember Nagaraj or I see his picture, I see his big smile and I feel I should laugh because he made everybody laugh. And the childlike simplicity that I can see in his face and his straightforward thinking, clear expression, honesty to the core. That's Nagaraj. That's my description of Nagaraj. He was somewhat a paternal figure to our family. We treated Nagaraj like our own father, and that's all I have to say, as a personal comment. But I would like to talk to you all about Nagaraj and his outstanding qualities. You all know about it, but I'm just here to, I guess, represent and say a few more words. His outstanding quality was to meet and greet everyone, and everyone that he met, I can tell you what he said. Hello, I am B.N. Nagaraj, I live in Fullerton. And then before that other person says hello to him, he'll smile, and then he'll say, where do you live? And then the next thing is, why don't we have a cup of coffee at our house? Poor Prema. So, and then the next thing would be, let me know if you need any help. That was his next statement. He would not wait for another person to greet and smile. So I have heard in scriptures, Sri Rama had this great quality, going and talking to a person before they said hello to him. He was known for his volunteering ability. He was involved in several organizations, which already Sri Kasturi alluded to, KCA, South Indian Music Academy, Purandar Dasa Celebrations, National College Old Student Association, BMS College Engineering Association, it goes, long list. He worked selflessly for the Kannada community and served as president and in various different abilities. He loved Carnatic music very dearly. It was very dear to his heart. In fact, he said he wished he had learned music. He encouraged every young kid and older people to learn music. Nagaraj and Prema hosted many musicians, as Sri Kasturi alluded to already. These artists have immense respect for Nagaraj. In fact, when we were visiting one of the holy places in South India, one of the great musicians, violinists, stopped us and said, I know you, I think we saw you in Nagaraj's house. So this is like, we were in India and visiting and I'm like, oh my God, Nagaraj is everywhere. You go to India, somebody mentions Nagaraj's name. Recently, violinist Vidwan Sriram Kumar, he accompanied great M.S. Subbulakshmi and other great musicians. He visited Los Angeles for a music concert. He visited Nagaraj at the Kindred Hospital and played some special music pieces for him. So those of you who don't know should really cherish this. 2 years ago, he arranged a meeting for SEMA, South Indian Music Academy, to facilitate and plan and promote Carnatic music in Southern California. In fact, we said to him, Nagaraj, you're sick. Why are you doing all of this? Oh, no, I am not sick. I am fine. His positive outlook for life, that's another thing. He had been ill for so many years. You call up and talk to him and say, how are you, Nagaraj? He'll say, I'm fine. My labs are fine. I'm perfectly fine. How is your dialysis going? Oh, my dialysis is great. I love those nurses. I like talking to the patients. I like watching television. I like the orange juice that they give me. So it's just so much to learn from him. I admired Nagaraj for this positive attitude. Not a single day he wanted sympathy being a patient. He never wanted that sympathy. He also loved children a lot. He was very polite to children, very respectful of the younger generation. I'm sure there are many young children here. one of the kids played tabla here. Nagaraj admired each and every one of those kids. He encouraged them to work hard at school, carry on extracurricular activities like music, playing sports. Above all, he emphasized the value of time, humility and gratitude. He told children, be grateful. If somebody does something to you, be grateful. Be humble. And another outstanding quality, when I think of that, he's so great. In Kannada, we call it as audarya. He enjoyed and rejoiced everyone's success as his own. A kid who gets SAT high score, or an AP scholar, or somebody gets into a college, university, or some adult gets an award, or does really well in his career, that would be his success. So that is really a great quality, not just enjoying one's success and one's children's or one family's successes, but he kind of regarded the whole community as his own. I think I've taken a lot of time, but I have to tell you this before I finish. The love for food he had. He just enjoyed good food, good South Indian food. In fact, he would say that he had dreams about dosas, eating in Vidyarthi Bhavan. And when you would go to India, before you take your trip, he would give you a list of restaurants. He would be very disappointed if you did not go to those restaurants. And he often mentioned to us about Vidyarthi Bhavan dosas. And my husband and I would say, well, I don't think the standard is really good these days. But to him, Vidyarthi Bhavan's dosa was the best dosa. I think I have said it all. Friends, Nagaraj has lived a life that matters to all of us. Even in physical absence, his love and memory will stay with us. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Dr. Pratibha. As she said, thank you, Dr. Pratibha. As she rightly said, Nagaraj loved food. It is the family's request for all of you to stay a few more minutes, have food. Before you go, there is also prasadam, food prasadam in the front desk. Take them. Now I request our Krishnan to say a few words.
Give it to you, sir. It's up here. It makes more noise. This is funny. They only need to hear me, not see my face. I've been somewhat of a fixture in Southern California community for a long time. Whether it's merit or not, oftentimes I get called to talk a few words on many subjects. Oftentimes, it's probably out of respect. Oftentimes, if you don't allow him to talk, he will talk after the meeting. I don't know. But one injustice that's done to me is I'm always asked to talk in the end. This time again I feel that Pratibha has stolen many of my lines. And Sri Kasturi has also stolen quite a few of it. When I was suddenly asked to come up and talk, I said, what am I going to talk about now? Because there is a lot to talk about Nagaraj. Anybody can talk impromptu, spontaneously. Anyone who has rubbed shoulders with Nagaraj, even for a few minutes, there's a lot to talk. Often in theology, when someone passes away, we say very great things about that person, not to offend him and the family, and try to muffle something that we believe that could have been done better by the person. But this time, we don't need to lie. There is nothing that we can talk less qualitatively about Nagaraj. He virtually lived the life of a good human being and what a good human being should be given the pressures of modern life. Most of us, if not all of us, are paradises. We all would like to have, as she said, a common dosa or some wonderful food from some place where we came from, would like to be with our family whom we miss constantly. But we very rarely feel at home in a place where we live for 20, 30 years, 40 years. Nagaraj felt totally at home. Probably I am one of those junior most members of the Kannada community. The only reason why I call I am part of Kannada community is I sing a few Purandara songs. If I really start talking Kannada, the hall will disappear. All of a sudden you will have very few people waiting for Samaradhana. But still I felt part of the Kannada community, visiting your Dasara and all. But my intense association with a real Kannada person was Nagaraj. We came to Fullerton a few years after Nagaraj made us known. We have been neighbors for almost 25 years. Very rarely we have done the neighborly duties for Nagaraj and Prema, but they never expected that. Whenever they walk, when Nagaraj was very active, they will ring a bell in the true Indian tradition. No telephone, no appointment, nothing. Same day we'll also just go and knock. Prema, Nagaraj, how are you? As Pratibha said again, come in, have a cup of tea. We are just doing dosa, have a couple of dosa. There was no artificiality. It was true hospitality that emanated for hundreds of years or centuries in India. No formalities. That was Nagaraj and their Prema. He will be very, very animated in any topic he discussed. He was always passionate. He never held back views. He never made comments to please people. He always said what he used to feel is the right thing. Oftentimes he told me he made a few temporary enemies in Kamalakota and very strong friends in the Sangha. But over a period of time, there were no enemies for him. Virtually everyone liked him. But quite a few qualities that we have been listening in the last two occasions of gatherings to celebrate the life of Nagaraj. Something which I really liked about him was his passion for music. That's one common language that Nagaraj and I had. I also feel very sorry that I did not fulfill one of his desires. 5 years ago, he came to me and said, I want to learn music. He said, in this Janma, I am not going to sing, because some hyperbolic statement he said, like you. But at least I want to sing. I can't sit on the Aradhana table because my knees are bad. But I can put a stool there, like Akash did. But still I want to sing at least one dasa song with Shruti, with Raga, with you sitting in the front row and saying at the end of the song that I sang all right. Will that happen? I said, it can happen tomorrow. You don't need Shruti or Ragam or anything like that. What you need is passion, and you have enough of it. After that, he was getting sicker and sicker. Quite often he used to go for dialysis and all that. The only thing that we did a little bit of facilitation was to take him to some concerts, bring him back from the concert. And when he was sitting in the car and sitting by my side, he will ask me to sing all kinds of songs. Farmaish. And next time when I meet him, the song which he made me sing months ago, he will be starting to hum. He had such a memory. You remember that song you sang in the car when we were coming from such and such place to such and such place? I'm still thinking whether I can sing the song. The childlike quality in him is something most of us miss. We practically live to project our image for others. We often talk what we think others will appreciate. For him, he never bothered. He lived certain examples. When you talk to people, don't be conscious that someone has to evaluate you. Talk to them because you feel like talking to them. Say what you really want to talk to them without any special nuances, no artificiality. I can go on and be talking about language. Sriram Kumar, the great violinist, calls me from India, feeling very sad that he could not play more number of songs at the hospital, because he went to the hospital knowing that Nagraj is almost sinking. He goes and plays violin in his busy concert tour and tells me that I miss him. I thought next time when I came to the US, I would sing more, I would play more for him, but I missed him. That's one example of how musicians enjoyed his hospitality, loved his surrender, and how he felt that there was a Posha family. Whatever Nagraj did, he did it because he enjoyed. Whether he ate well, spoke well, loved well, emitted love, lived. And he was a true human being who lived his life. I'm only a few years younger than him in years. But he always used to call most of the people whom he had known with the sir, like in India. Oftentimes he used to call me Krishnan sir. I said, if you are my older brother, how could you call me Krishnan sir? He said, it is, even though I love you, you are my younger brother, I cannot change myself, because you have been Krishnan sir 25 years ago. You would like to be, I would like that to continue. So he had no hesitation to give respect to people, irrespective of their age or whatever it is. Children was his passion. He never felt, okay, my grandchildren or my children or my people have not done this, so those children are doing. Quite often human beings have a little amount of jealousy lurking in their mind that my children are. But for him, everyone was his children. Everyone was his man, his woman. If I have to carry something from his life, there are hundreds of things that I have to cherish. I miss a true man. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Just a personal note. Dear friends, during the past year or two, myself, Sundar and my wife have seen Nagraj many times while he was suffering from pain. Every time he would ask, how was Kannada Kota, its financial status, elections and other programs. I am sure many of you have attended the meeting he called at his house few years back to bring the Kannada community together. Till the end, he had so much real concern for the organization and the community at large. Nagraj has gone home now, leaving behind wife Prema, daughter Sheila, son Ajita, and many life members in Kannada Kota. We carry on because we have to. As a community, we can at least continue to show how much we care and treat them with respect and love. May God bless Nagraj and may he rest in eternal peace. Thank you. Again, Prema and Ajit and Sheila, thank you all
enjoy the food. Thank you again. Food is ready in the back. Okay, it's done.
Hi, here you go.